to do this on a female cat, but well, the male too, because you'd like to see okay. So sounds terrible. Yeah. So so here's the bladder, and see the urethra right there, and see that little bulge kind of right there. That's where the prostate gland is. It's also, even though you can't see it right now, if you find the sperm ducts, they pass through the inguinal canal. You have to follow. Look, here's one right here. So there's a spermatic artery, and there's a duct. And if you see where it goes, it crosses around this ureter right here that goes to the bladder, and then it turns and goes this way. And if you get on top of this urethra, you'll see where that sperm duct and the other one also connects to the urethra. Okay, so the sperm duct itself does not actually go all the way to the penis. It actually just goes to the urethra. So the urethra in the male is a common passageway for urine during urination, but semen during breeding. But anyway, here's one of them. And that passageway right there, it's all cut up, but I'm seeing the inguinal canal right here. There is the internal inguinal ring right there. And the canal is the passageway through this body wall right here. And see, on this side of it is the external inguinal ring. So the inguinal rings are the actual openings. One's external, one's internal, for these structures, which here on this side are contained within this spermatic cord. But on this side, the cord doesn't continue through the inguinal canal. The cord ends at the inguinal canal, but the structures that are inside this cord are now seen inside the abdomen here. And one of them is the artery, and it comes off the aorta, but the other structure is the actual spermatic duct itself, which, so next time you guys can follow the sperm duct to see where it's connected to the urethra, and make sure you locate the prostate gland as well, right in there. And you'll also need to do a few other things, like open up this scrotum to see the penis of the cat. And alrighty, there's another testicle over here, so there's more that can be done with that. Anyway, that's good on this male cat.